Still got the old panel here. Completely destroyed it when removing it. Because yeah, it was already destroyed. So who cares? You see the dinghies are dangling off it. It's a custom panel. But it's working. Working nicely. Got the screen aligned as good as the NHA tablet and the Actions tablet. Look at that line there. Hang on. Look at that clearance. It's so little. And then over here, oh my goodness, the clearance. It's not perfect. But hey, at least it works. Look at that. It's working completely like new. Except you can see the adhesive mark there. And some dusty crusty, some more adhesive marks. I couldn't be bothered taking them off because it took too much effort. See, this is from before Android Market Reborn existed, so it doesn't have that on there. Yeah, and this app never worked on here. Yeah, she good again. Well, take that mosquito that killed it because I dropped it by accident because of that mosquito. So it's going like okay, I'm gonna show you. I had this on, right, and I was trying to look for a mosquito, and then oh no, woo, and it fell on the edge, flat, and boom, there was your broken screen. But yeah, it's working. You see, it's not even connected to the internet yet. It's reset still. And yeah, I can use this again, which is nice. I just gotta get the screws back in it.